Delta Electronics, as a global leader in power and energy management. We began our energy storage journey in 2015, providing cutting-edge battery storage solutions to meet the challenges of the energy transition. With over 50 years of expertise across the Delta Group, our innovations, ranging from power electronics, ICT, thermal management, and automation, are widely integrated throughout the energy sector. With over 200 local offices, factories, and technical teams around the world, we're a global organization that's committed to long-term excellence and local engagement. Our versatile portfolio features a wide range of all-in-one ESS solutions, PCS, battery systems, and advanced management software. High quality is guaranteed through meticulous design and rigorous testing in our own battery quality lab. Our solutions offer unmatched flexibility and advanced control capabilities to meet customer needs, from commercial facilities to utility and microgrid projects, ensuring optimal performance for diverse applications. Rising energy demand puts the grid under pressure. Delta's microgrid solution delivers reliable and resilient power. Our data center microgrid provides advanced control and integration, ensuring resilience and mitigating fluctuations. We extend our solutions across city applications. With Black Start, on-site ESS restores power and orchestrates energy in real time, connecting microgrids into a virtual power plant that makes the grid stronger and greener. Every solution aims to maximize operational efficiency, undergoing thorough testing before shipping to ensure seamless on-site integration. We provide a holistic service, covering initial design consultation, financial optimization, EPC, commissioning, and tailored digital service. Imagine a future powered entirely by renewable energy, where electric vehicles surpass traditional cars, and carbon emissions are a distant memory. Join us in leading the way toward a sustainable energy future.